Hi there, this is Tanya, and happy Memorial Day, everybody. Um, I, like I said last week, I wanted to do a series of videos on passive income. And because right now, who knows what's going to happen with the economy? Who knows what's going to happen to the companies that we work for? Who knows what's going to happen to the jobs that we've been doing for the past several years, etc. And now is the perfect time to really take hold of the power and that you have, and really take back the power that you have over your career, and start thinking about how you can become a little bit more independent from the regular paycheck or regular, like, what you've been doing so far, and start generating additional income so that you become less dependent on everybody else and what's happening around you. So today's video is the first video on passive income, and I want to talk about passive income stream that relates to writing. I love writing, and I know a lot of people who like writing and have really just never thought about it as a possible income source. And so here we go. So let's first of all start with what is passive income. So passive income is income that where you generate the product once, and then you're able to sell the product unlimited number of times after it has been generated. So if you think about cars, you produce a car, manufacture a car, you can sell that car to one client, and then you have to manufacture another car before you can sell that to somebody else. And with that kind of income, or with that kind of regular manufacturing process, your output is limited to the time you have available. Not so with passive income. So with passive income, you generate the product one time, and then you can sell it unlimited number of times. So today we're going to talk about books. I love books, and I have books in all possible formats. I have physical books, I have electronic books, and I have audiobooks. And all three serve for me a different function. I used to have a huge library of physical books because I love books. And then as I was moving around the country, it became unsustainable to carry them with me. So I started more and more buying electronic books and audiobooks. And I buy audiobooks for things that I want to listen to when I'm driving in the car. I will buy electronic books for when I want to read something at home on my iPad. And so a book, any book that you would write, you can sell it in several different formats. So you can get 3 times the income from that one book that you write. And so think about, and if you go to a bookstore, if you can find one, or you go to Kindle, or you go to Audible, there are books on any possible topic you can think about. So there's short books, there's poems, there's instructional manuals, there's how to do this for dummies and how to do that, and there's fiction, and there's anything anything you can think about, there's a book on it. And so if you start like assessing what are the skills, what is your knowledge, what are you passionate about, and what are your skills, and start thinking about, okay, what could I teach other people possibly? You could possibly realize that, okay, there's definitely a book in me, and as long as you make the book something that is valuable to your reader, and that gives your reader value, then why not write it, put it out there, and start building your passive income stream that way. So that's what I wanted to say today, and I'm going to do another passive income video shortly, and it's going to be on a different topic of passive income. But today is books, and let's go write some books. If you think that you are interested in possibly writing a book or something short, or testing this thing out, put in the comments below. And if you think you have something that you could teach others, put it down below. And let's start generating some passive income. And other than that, have a great Memorial Day, and I will see you soon. Ciao.